Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which is the largest city located in Siberia? Is it A. Vladivostok, B. Irkutsk, or C. Novosibirsk? It is C. Novosibirsk. What is the primary writing system used in the Japanese language for native words and grammar? Is it A. Kanji, B. Hiragana, or C. Katakana? It is B. Hiragana. Which superhero role is Gal Gadot best known for in the DC Extended Universe? Is it A. Catwoman, B. Wonder Woman, or C. Black Widow? It is B. Wonder Woman. What did Ernst Haeckel famously contribute to the field of biology? Is it A. Quantum mechanics, B. Evolutionary theory, or C. Thermodynamics? It is B. Evolutionary theory. What is the capital city of Belgium known for the Atomium and Grand Place? Is it A. Brussels, B. Antwerp, or C. Ghent? It is A. Brussels. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Is it A. Wellington, B. Auckland, or C. Christchurch? It is A. Wellington. Which ocean is the Kara Sea a part of? Is it A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, or C. Arctic Ocean? It is C. Arctic Ocean. What type of bond links amino acids together in proteins? Is it A. Hydrogen bond, B. Ionic bond, or C. Peptide bond? It is C. Peptide bond. How many Grand Slam singles titles has Serena Williams won? Is it A. 19, B. 23, or C. 30? It is B. 23. Which animal represents the Lunar New Year in the Chinese zodiac for 2023? Is it A. Rabbit, B. Dragon, or C. Tiger? It is A. Rabbit. What is Bluetooth primarily used for in technology? Is it A. Wireless communication, B. Video editing, or C. Graphic design? It is A. Wireless communication. What tiny blood vessels are responsible for the exchange of nutrients and waste between tissues and the bloodstream? Is it A. Capillaries, B. Veins, or C. Arteries? It is A. Capillaries. What significant political position does Xi Jinping hold in China? Is it A. Vice President, B. Prime Minister, or C. General Secretary? It is C. General Secretary. What type of dish is Sauerbraten known to be in German cuisine? Is it A. Soup, B. Pot roast, or C. Dessert? It is B. Pot roast. Which Netflix romantic comedy film is Noah Centineo known for starring in as the lead character Peter Kavinsky? Is it A. To All the Boys I've Loved Before, B. The Kissing Booth, or C. Sierra Burgess is a Loser? It is A. To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Which monarch was overthrown during the Glorious Revolution of 1688? Is it A. Charles I, B. James II, or C. William III? It is B. James II. What is Earth's only natural satellite? Is it A. Sun, B. Mars, or C. Moon? It is C. Moon. Which famous Spanish artist has a significant collection of works displayed at the Prado Museum in Spain? Is it A. Salvador Dali, B. Pablo Picasso, or C. Diego Velázquez? It is C. Diego Velázquez. What type of game is Splendor known for being? Is it A. Role-playing game, B. Card game, or C. Strategy board game? It is C. Strategy board game. What is hafnium primarily used for in the industry? Is it A. Jewelry, B. Nuclear reactors, or C. Paints? It is B. Nuclear reactors. What is the title of the famous military treatise attributed to Sun Tzu? Is it A. The Art of War, B. The Prince, or C. On War? It is A. The Art of War. Which mobile app is primarily used for sharing photos that disappear after a short time? Is it A. Instagram, B. Snapchat, or C. TikTok? It is B. Snapchat. What is the primary function of the cell membrane in living cells? Is it A. Protects the cell, B. Generates energy, or C. Stores DNA? It is A. Protects the cell. What traditional dance form is associated with the Maori culture? Is it A. Haka, B. Salsa, or C. Tango? It is A. Haka. What is the primary theme of the film The Matrix regarding reality? Is it A. Friendship, B. Simulation, or C. Adventure? It is B. Simulation. Which amphibian is known for regenerating lost body parts? Is it A. Frog, B. Newt, or C. Salamander? It is C. Salamander. Which country is home to the majority of Lake Titicaca? Is it A. Chile, B. Brazil, or C. Peru? It is C. Peru. Which YouTuber is known for their gaming content and the phrase "Let's play"? Is it A. PewDiePie, B. Jenna Marbles, or C. Shane Dawson? It is A. PewDiePie. Where is Stanford University located? Is it A. New York, B. California, or C. Texas? It is B. California. What is the main focus of the Happiness Lab podcast hosted by Dr. Laurie Santos? Is it A. Cooking recipes, B. Science of happiness, or C. Historical events? It is B. Science of happiness. Which popular video game did Jacksepticeye famously start his YouTube channel with? Is it A. Happy Wheels, B. Minecraft, or C. Fortnite? It is A. Happy Wheels. What is the largest moon of Saturn, known for its thick atmosphere? Is it A. Titan, B. Enceladus, or C. Ganymede? It is A. Titan. What genre-blending style is Old Town Road by Lil Nas X known for? Is it A. Country rap, B. Pop rock, or C. R&B? It is A. Country rap. What is the Kuiper Belt primarily known for containing? Is it A. Rocky planets, B. Icy bodies, or C. Gas giants? It is B. Icy bodies. What philosophical concept is John Stuart Mill best known for advocating? Is it A. Utilitarianism, B. Deontology, or C. Rationalism? It is A. Utilitarianism. What annual celebration in New Orleans is famous for parades and masks? Is it A. Cinco de Mayo, B. Carnival, or C. Mardi Gras? It is C. Mardi Gras. Which country was primarily involved in the Boer Wars against the British Empire? Is it A. South Africa, B. Australia, or C. Canada? It is A. South Africa. What is the primary goal of the Black Lives Matter movement? Is it A. Racial equality, B. Environmental reform, or C. Economic growth? It is A. Racial equality. In statistics, what does the term mode refer to? Is it A. Average value, B. Most frequent value, or C. Middle value? It is B. Most frequent value. What is microevolution? Is it A. Macro change, B. Small-scale evolution, or C. Genetic drift? It is B. Small-scale evolution. What band sings Stressed Out? Is it A. Coldplay, B. 21 Pilots, or C. Maroon 5? It is B. 21 Pilots. In music, what is the primary role of a chorus in a song? Is it A. to provide background instrumentals, B. to introduce new verses, or C. to repeat the main theme? It is C. to repeat the main theme. Which opera is Georges Bizet best known for composing? Is it A. Tosca, B. Carmen, or C. La Traviata? It is B. Carmen. What is the title of Adele's album that features the hit song Hello? Is it A. 25, B. 21, or C. 19? It is A. 25. What is Ada Lovelace widely recognized for in the field of computing? Is it A. First computer programmer, B. Creator of HTML, or C. Inventor of the telephone? It is A. First computer programmer. What did Tim Berners-Lee invent that is fundamental to the Internet? Is it A. Search engine, B. Email, or C. World Wide Web? It is C. World Wide Web. What is the primary focus of graph theory in mathematics? Is it A. Analysis of equations, B. Study of graphs, or C. Geometry of shapes? It is B. Study of graphs. What is magnetoreception used for? Is it A. Communication, B. Photosynthesis, or C. Navigation? It is C. Navigation. What is a significant environmental issue affecting the Gulf of Mexico? Is it A. Oil spills, B. Desertification, or C. Glacial melting? It is A. Oil spills. Which religion was founded by Joseph Smith in the 19th century? Is it A. Scientology, B. Mormonism, or C. Seventh-day Adventism? It is B. Mormonism. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.